How to use and apply your Canada promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in your Canada and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. YourCanada.com, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top right, you'll see the option of sign in. Click on that. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you can easily book a flight. First up, you have to select the place, origin and the destination. Then select the departure and return date. Before that, you can select whether you want round trip or the one-way ticket. Then go ahead and select the passenger numbers. After you provide all the details, here you will find this section of promotion code. Now over here you can type in the code and then search for the flight. After flight appears, select all the details and proceed to checkout. As you have already typed in the code over here, the code will be redeemed and you will get certain amount as a discount in your flight once you confirm the flight. So this way you can easily use and apply your Canada promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.